Hey guys, welcome back to Always Austin. And y'all already see who fronting the camera, baby. Myself, honey. I had to give my hair some TLC. Do y'all see all that breakage that's going on? And my hair has just been going through a lot. I don't know if it's the season changing, these hormones from this baby, but it's been very dry, brittle, and just ugh. So I am giving it some TLC today, okay? So I put a deep conditioner and also a mask on there. I was looking up on the thing, and anything that said moisture retention, rebuild, re-strength, I threw it on my head. So I put two products on there and I just let it stay on there. It said 30 minutes, but we was on there for about an hour, baby. The way I figured, like, I cannot go wrong with, I can't go wrong at this point because it was so dry. Look, my edge is coming back in. Like, yeah, I'm feeling it. So, today's goal is to cut off all of this dead hair that is not serving my hair any purpose whatsoever. Okay, it got to go. I'm tired of looking at the uneven fro. I'm tired of just, it's just not. I need to get it back healthy, okay? And that's what we're doing. And the first thing was that is trimming your ends. So that's what we're going to do. But let me tell you something. This was a 2-day process. I told y'all to bump be like, we can't go up here hours like that. So I had to sit down. So after I washed it and deep conditioned it, I put it into braids, and this is the next day. I'm also adding some vitamin E oil to there because, like I said, you can't go wrong. I need all the oils, all the moisture. I mean, like everything, okay? Everything. So I am going to spray some heat protectant on there because before I cut it, I am going to press it out since I wear my hair pressed out most of the time. So Kylie broke my old school blow dryer, but this gave me a chance to use this new blow dryer that my mama got me. Look, she bought me this for Christmas. I've used it on Kylie hair several times, and it does speed up the blow drying process. And I was like, okay, you know what you doing, what you got to do, doing what you got to do. But let me tell you something. The bump said come out this sweatshirt, so that's what I had to do because we was tired and hot. And she also bought me these flat irons. I don't know if y'all seen them on TikTok. Is it Tymo? I hope I'm pronouncing it right. But yeah, it's like a flat iron brush. And look, it came in a cute little package. It was in a velvet little case and all that. So this is what it looked like, okay? The ceramic plates get hot, not the back of it at all. And let me I wasn't impressed. I felt like I had to pass my hair too many times for it to get as straight as I would like, and I still didn't like it when it was that straight. And I was like, I'm not finna keep passing this through my hair because first off, we're trying to cut off the damage anyway. We're not trying to add to it, okay? We're not trying to add to it. And I put a little front piece so y'all can see. It's just not giving me a flat iron. I don't know. It's not doing it for me. So I had to break out my flat irons and get it all nice and crispy. Now, I know a couple things. It should not take 5-6 passes for my hair to get straight. Say, bam, one stroke. That's what I need. One stroke. One stroke. And I'm just flat ironing it just so I can really see what needs to be cut off. I already have an idea of where I want it to start, but yeah, I just needed to see. As y'all can see, like all the part where you can just see through and it's just like laying on my shoulder. I wanted all of that to go. I wanted it to go. Now I ain't gonna lie, I was nervous. I was very I was nervous, but hey, we got through it. And once I got that first cut, I said, "Oh God, what I done did." But you know what? You got to see it through, my boy. Got to see it through, and that's exactly what I did. So now I'm trying to see how I'm gonna cut the other side, and it was very, cut my hair wasn't too bad, but try not to keep tilting my head to the side. Cause I'm like, okay, it's gonna be so uneven if you keep trying to move your neck and your head. Just cut, just go, and that's what I did. I was like, okay. All right, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. We look pretty even from what I can see. Now, how I got that back done, it was a challenge. So y'all ain't gonna see that. But that was my setup for the back. And I also had a mirror so I can really see. Now we're gonna do something about that bang. Don't worry about that. But yeah, and for the most part, I think it's okay. We looking healthy. Don't worry about the bang. Don't look at the bang. I'll get that. But we're pretty, yeah. It's not too crooked for it to be a self project. I'm satisfied. I'm cool with it. So I did go through and just clean it up just where I saw like stragglies and stuff. Just cut that straight on out. And then I be seeing people do this on TV. So I go in and I do that too. Because that made me feel like a real hairstylist. When I lift it up and then boom, 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 clip them ends like that, y'all. I went to school. that used to be my favorite part of like the hair shows when they lift out the hair and cut it like that. I thought that was so cute. Now I didn't want to do too much on the bang because I love a big full bang, but I did clip the ends as best as I could. And as it grows out, I'll just clip more. And this was all the hair that I lost. It wasn't that much. It wasn't that much. And the first step to getting it to grow back, baby, is to clip them in. So I was like, you know what? It's going to grow back. I ain't worried about it. So this is what I did. I love big hair. Love big hair. I don't know. I remember my mom having these roller sets from Tanya at Etheridge Brothers in North Birmingham, baby. She used to kill my mama roller sets, and I loved my mama hair and roller sets. And that is when I feel I love big hair ever since then, because it used to be so big, full, and pretty. So I just like my hair to be big and full, and bam, this was the final do. You know what? I'm not mad at myself. I am not mad. We're looking healthy. We don't have much body, but once I get my routine for a silk press down, y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. I'm gonna get it because it's a puff ball right now. Because baby, it's been raining for 2 days. Soon I cut my hair and rain for 2 days straight. But anyway, it's a puff ball right now. But once I get the process of locking in this moisture, oh, I'm gonna be dangerous. Oh, I'm gonna be dangerous. Okay, but yeah, this is what we're working with. I really look like somebody's mama. I will say that. I look like I'm married with 3 kids with my hair in a bob. And my husband likes this. He said I look cute. He like it. So I ain't bad at it. And yeah, we're your dream girls. Yeah, but I'm cute. Bye.